ETAS and Gliwa have been partners for many years in the automotive embedded software world. And today I'm here in Stuttgart-Feuerbach at ETAS and I'm giving a timing workshop. So not only talking about our product T1, but about timing in general. For safe and efficient embedded systems, it's really essential to get the timing right. And this is where two things really match very well together. On the one hand side, we've got the very efficient and highly optimized ETAS stack. And on the other side, we've got T1, which allows very good timing analysis to optimize and profile embedded software. So in a nutshell, it's the efficient stack with first-class timing analysis that enables you to create really the best embedded software.